I say before, no thought is self-employed. If there was not a thinker of thought, a believer in thought, then thought would not even be said to appear. To whom do they appear? To whom do they speak? You have the natural sense, it's to me. But to you as what? You can feel the feeling I am. And there are some state of I am that thought can snap its finger and that I will come, yes, you called. But there's also an I am. It doesn't matter what thoughts do, it doesn't command. It's only just a soft movement, it's nothing, no big deal. You are aware of thought, mind, what you call mind. You are the awareness of it. You are the one that watches mind. It's not mind watching you. One must understand and discern which is greater, thought or the weakness of thought. For some beings, it doesn't matter what thoughts come. Good thoughts, bad thoughts, beautiful thoughts, holy thoughts, unholy thoughts, arrogant thoughts. Doesn't matter. They don't invest any attention or importance to them. And like this, the mind in that aspect begins to reduce in power, becomes insignificant. Beings just like yourself. Yesterday I say, we are perceiving what we are conceiving. Who understands this? What you take to be important, you will believe into existence, and you will have to live under the jurisdiction of that influence. Still, I present a very simple way. Just keep confirming whatever appears. I'm earlier than that. The weakness is earlier than that. It watches the arising and the disappearance of all things. When it recognizes this profoundly, then the comings and goings become less and less significant. Then the witnessing becomes passive. After passivity, irrelevance. After irrelevant, unbroken peace. Some beings here among you, they are breaking open daily. What it means, breaking open, what it means. I said sometimes it is like, I say, in the same way that all the beings living in the ocean are wet. All the beings in manifestation have conditioning. Some of them, they transcend the power of conditioning. How they do it? One huge net is cast over all the beings in the universe, and some are wriggling and break through like a fish through their gun. They escape that. How they do it? Just like this.